Good morning, beautiful. Welcome to the channel. Today, I am going to share with you guys a full weekend of no cleaning at all. I was going to attempt to do the 24 hours, but it all went through the full weekend, including right now because it is 12 in the afternoon and we ate breakfast already and I didn't clean on Saturday or Sunday. We are doing a lot of remodeling and constructions upstairs in the laundry room, which I'm really excited for that project and to share with you guys. And so I didn't clean anything at all, nothing. There's all dishes, and whenever the kids will need some like forks and stuff, they were washing that separately. And I'm also going to attempt to put all my Easter decor away. I still have everything up. I don't have any other decorations for like summer, and obviously everything is closed, and the only areas where you can find decor items, it's like Target and Walmart, but I haven't been in Target and Walmart. I just go for like groceries, so I really don't have anything. So hopefully I can put everything away before 4 o'clock, because at 4 o'clock I do my workouts on Instagram. And if not, I'm still going to continue because I really need to clean downstairs, like literally the bathroom, the kitchen, the living room, brooming and mopping. So if you want all that cleaning motivation, or if you just want to like clean with someone along, pop me in the TV, your tablet, or wherever you watch YouTube videos, and let's start with the cleaning.
It's getting closer to midnight. I try to get closer to you.
Okay, the first thing that I'm gonna do here is grab my hair, because I don't want my hair to go in front of my face. And yes, I was using the microwave as a mirror. I have tons of dishes. I feel like with the full weekend of not cleaning, one of the things that got carried away was the dishes. And regardless, I feel that the dishes are always piling up. Especially because the kids will grab cups and cups and cups, and since they at the end they don't even know who they belong to, and they keep using and using more cups. We do use paper plates, but regardless of that, we always end up with a lot of dishes. So I will be putting all the dishes in, separating all the dishes. Like, as you all know, if you've been following me for a while, you know that I love to wash the dishes in sections. So I do separate the dishes from silverware, cups, plates, and then to the bigger items. So I can like get over with the little dishes, like with all the silverware and the little things, because I do hate to do the little things. I'd rather do pans and pots instead of spoons and forks. But if I wash them first, I feel like I'm almost done with the dishes, even though there is a lot. So let's fix all these dishes and get ready to wash the dishes.
Trying my best not to lose control. I want you, that's all I know. Trying my best not to lose control, 'cause I adore you, adore you. Trying my best not to lose control. I want you, that's all I know. Trying my best not to lose control, 'cause I adore you. Baby, I adore you. Maybe I adore you. Yeah, I'm feeling high, I'm up on cloud nine. Baby, I adore you. Trying my best not to lose control. I want you, that's all I know. Trying my best not to lose control, 'cause I adore you, adore you. Don't sound dripping, 'cause we're spending the night.
We can already tell that it is less dishes, but they're still the same. It's just that they're all organized, even though they're dirty. I will be showing you guys what I've used. So on this day of cleaning, I had so much trouble with all my cleaning supplies. Some of the bottles that I was using, like the cleaners that I was using, they were almost done, and plus the nozzle sprayer wasn't working. So I literally threw 3 bottles, 2 of them that they were empty and 1 that the sprayer wasn't working. So I had so much trouble on today's cleaning. Like, the cleaning supplies weren't with me today. They just didn't want it to clean. So I'm just gonna be washing all my dishes. I will be drying them. I'm not going to be popping them on the dishwasher just because I want all the dishes to be clean. And I feel that every time I use the dishwasher, they stay in the dishwasher for a longer period of time, or then I will forget them. So as y'all know, I do pre-wash the dishes. Take all the food away, especially because they were out for the full weekend and the food, it's all sticky. So I was just taking out all the food and then filling up my sink with soap and Clorox and then putting them back in there so I can start washing all the dishes. And that way my water will last me through the full cycle of washing the dishes, because all the dishes are going to be pre-washed. Now I'm just going to clean my counter space where I'm going to be placing all my clean dishes.
What was it all for? I don't know you anymore. We go back, we go back, we go back, we colliding. Losing track, even God knows I'm trying. Dangerous, selfish ways to love me more these days. We go back, we go back, we go back, we colliding. We go back, we go back, we go back, we colliding. Losing track, even God knows I'm trying. Was it all make believe? Something you never needed? Or was it a flaw? I don't know yet anymore. We go back, we go back, we go back, we colliding. Hey. Losing track, even God knows I'm trying. Dangerous, selfish ways to love me more these days. We go back, we go back, we go back, we colliding.
Feel like I was falling through the air. No one but myself to hold my hand.
By this time, the boys were done with their rooms. They were cleaning all their rooms. So they just came downstairs to get a snack. Their daily snacks have to be popcorn. We love popcorn. I love popcorn. I can eat popcorn as a snack every single day, which I don't because I know it's bad. But if I can, I will. I'm going to clean the stove with the SOS sponges. And again, I will be putting all of the cleaning products down on the description so you guys can know what I use. But I am showing in here all the products that I am using throughout the full process of cleaning. Again, I had to switch the cleaning products because some of them were empty and one of the bottles, like I said, wasn't working, so I had to open it, and that was just the DIY that I did with water and Clorox. So I just poured that one whenever I had to disinfect all of the areas.
Wish that what we said would come undone. Feels like our minds have been turned off. Haven't seen each other for so long. I know this isn't us. Baby, pull me closer, let's fall in love. Oh, I can feel my body move to every move you make, and I can feel the tension every time we're close. I know whatever happens, I will have you next to me. 'Cause tonight we have it all. 'Cause we're dancing as one. 'Cause we're dancing as one. 'Cause we're dancing as one. 'Cause we're dancing as one.
Moving on to the dining room and the living room, and I'm still collecting dishes. Here is where I had to grab a new bottle of cleaning. I really do need to go get some cleaning products. I do have all of the dish soap and laundry detergent and all that stuff, but I don't have any more of disinfecting sprays or all-purpose cleaners, so I really have to go. And I did purchase a packet on Costco from the Method because I've been hooked with Method more than with Mrs. Meyer's. But with all these things that had happened, all I have found it's Mrs. Meyer's. So that's what I've been using. But hopefully whenever I go do my grocery shopping, I can find new products, and then that's when I can stack up on all that. And Ivan was bringing me the spray that I'm going to be using on the couch. I am not using the vacuum to take all the dirt out because if you guys can see in here, it wasn't that dirty. It was just a little bit. So I sometimes do use the broom to take all the dirt out. And since my washer and dryer, it's not working right now, I am just going to spray some of this deodorizer, and it smells really good. And yes, I still have all my Easter decor up. I haven't put it away yet. Hopefully by next week or maybe this week, I can put all that Easter decor away, which I don't mind having the Easter decor out. It looks pretty and it's pink and girly, so I can stay with it for a little bit more time.
Gotta give me some love, cause when I'm with you, I'm in paradise. You know how to make me feel alive. Gotta give me some love, nah, nah. Gotta give me some love, nah, nah, nah. Gotta give me some love, nah, nah, nah. You gotta give me some love, nah, nah, nah. Gotta give me some love, nah, nah, nah.
Since this is the area where I have to clean last, I always leave the trash can by the end, and so that way I can use the same rag that I've been using throughout the whole process of cleaning. I always do wash them right away, and obviously right now I am washing all my rags by hand until the washer is back on. But yeah, I always do use that one at the end. Let me know in the comments down below if you do the same, if you have like a rag that you use throughout the whole process and then you end up cleaning your trash can with it at the end. And these are just extra dishes that I had in the living room. And obviously we all know that once our sink it's about to be clean, that means our cleaning it's about to be done. I am super excited every time I do clean my sink, even though it just stays like that for probably 2-3 minutes. But it is such a big satisfaction when we do wash the sink. All right, this is it for today's video. It took me a little bit longer because I did have to stop at 4 o'clock, but I did finish. Now I have to go take a shower, and that's why you guys see me all crazy, because I sweat after the exercise. I have to make some dinner, and then that's it for the night. Remember that when you're cleaning, it's not about having everything like perfectly, because I wasn't done completely. I didn't clean the bathroom downstairs, and I still have to mop and broom onto by the entrance, but we usually don't hang out on that area. So the main focus that I wanted to focus today was the kitchen and the main living room. So whatever you do for cleaning, if it's just a little bit, as long as you feel happy, that's what it matters. Just make it fun, feel happy, and don't do it because you're obligated. Even though us as moms, we're kind of obligated, but don't make it seem like that. Make it seem that you're happy, and make it seem fun. So don't forget to give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this, and also subscribe if you're not part of this family, so you can become part of this amazing family that we are building in here. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.